Hey guys! So it's definitely been a couple of days since that little shopping moment that I showed earlier, but over the next couple of days I also found some more stuff. So this is kind of turning into a bit of a collective haul. So I just wanted to show you guys everything that I got for my house. So one of the first stores that I was actually really successful at was the good old dollar store. So I went to Dollarama and I just picked up a few little necessities. I was actually really picky about everything that I bought because I'm so picky about my house and I just want everything to look really great in it. Dollarama does have some really good essentials that you don't have to pay extra for, so I thought, why not? I'm really obsessed with like keeping my house very like clean and neat and organized. It's a newly constructed home, so obviously I want to keep everything as new as I can. I got a few packs of shelf and drawer liners, especially for my kitchen. So they're just like this like beigey color and they're like a little bit rubbery, sticky, silicone-y kind of a thing. But I got tons of these. I actually have a bunch out in my kitchen cabinets and drawers right now, so I'll insert a clip one of my drawers here. But yeah, basically these work really great for protecting my cabinets from like glasses and plates just like scratching them. Tons already, like I can't even count how many rolls of this I got. They were $1.25 each. There was a bigger version as well for like the big cabinets, so I got some of those as well, and I'm gonna get way more of those. This is kind of boring. It's just like kind of like steel wool sponges. They had 3 for $1, which is the cheapest I've seen. So yeah. I got lots of stuff to keep my house like very clean. I'm like obsessed with keeping it clean right now. I also got a cutting board, $4, just like a glass one. It's fairly big, which I really like. I just find that the wood ones like fall apart, so I'm gonna try out some glass. I got another type of drawer liner. I know this haul is so thrilling. Like, can you even handle it? But I got another drawer liner. Same brand, this one's $3.50, giant one. And this one is like, it's just like plastic and like huge. So I thought this would be great for under the kitchen sinks and for under bathroom sinks, because you know how you have a lot of cleaning liquids that just like spill everywhere? This will protect them from that. So I got one of these and I'm probably gonna get more of these. So this was the most exciting thing that I got at the dollar store, because I'm such a nerd. But basically they are these little 3 packs of spice jars. I got 3 of them for $1.25. I thought was amazing. I managed to get 12 in total. I can't wait to do this haul video because then I'm gonna start filling up my spices and I can see if I need any more. But I love that they're all gonna look very neat and like uniform and perfect. They're a really good size, and I like that they're actually glass. So they're pretty high quality, and they got a little shaker top, and to fill it you just pop it off. So super easy to clean and to use. Yeah, I'm super excited for these. Like, look how pretty that is. Like perfect in a row lined up in my new pantry. Wow. I don't know, I'm just like, I'm excited. Next, I went to Canadian Tire and just got some like basic essentials. Kind of boring, but like needed. I got this, it's just like a daily granite and stone cleaner and polish. It was like $10 for this little spray bottle. And then I also got a granite sealer because I have like new granite countertops and they haven't been sealed yet because, like I said, this house is new. So everything in it is new. So it all needs to be like taken care of, maintained. So I got the sealer for the granite. It was like $20-30 for that spray. And then I got 2 really cute scrubbing brushes. I'm just obsessed with cleaning supplies. But this one is the Frank brand, which I think is like the new Canadian Tire brand. It's just a dish and sink brush like that. So I can use this to scrub dishes when they get like stuff caked on them. That's what a scrubbing brush is for. But I really like the colors. I like that it's gray and it's lime green. This was like $2 or $3. Same thing with this next scrubbing brush, $2 or $3. Same brand. It's just like a tub scrubbing brush because I don't have one. So yeah, got a new one of these. You probably also noticed in like my last little clip that I ended up making a second trip to Walmart at the end of the night, and that is where I picked up this pillow. It's just the Walmart brand. It was like $10, but it's firm one. Lately my back hurts, so firm things help, so I got a new pillow. Plus we really need like more pillows in this house. So that was my first pillow that I got, and I'm probably gonna get more later. And lastly, I went to Marshall's and Winners and HomeSense like multiple times in the past few days. They just seem to have everything I need. So all of this is from Marshall's at different points in time. I got another scrubbing brush. I am obsessed with scrubbing brushes. This is $2.99. What makes this one different from all the other ones? Well, this one is for cleaning our thermoses and water bottles. My family and I have tons and tons of like travel mugs. We always take drinks with us on the go, so always need to clean those things, and now we properly can. Packaging on this is not staying on, so just pretend with me. I got a new cheese grater, which has already been used multiple times and I'm just trying to fake it. But this is from the brand All Things Kitchen, and it was on clearance for $7, which is amazing, especially for a cheese grater this size. It's really big, it's really sturdy. I don't know, need a new cheese grater that wasn't gonna fall apart, so this works amazing. Noticed a lot of things of mine have like a green and gray theme going on. Also got a couple of different like towels and cloths to clean with. So I got this set of 100% cotton bar cloth for $4.99, and there's 6 in here, so there's light blue, white, and gray. And they're just really like small, absorbent little cloth. I found a couple of drying mats. I'm so excited for these. I've never actually owned drying mats before. Welcome to adulting. But these are microfiber dish drying mat from HomeSense, and I got 2 of them for $5.99, which was amazing because most of them were already like $5 or $6 for one. So to get a gray one and a light blue one is a really good deal. So the next thing that I got that I'm super excited about is 12-pack of microfiber cloths. But I've never bought microfiber cloths before. Again, learning to be an adult. And this is a 12-pack that I found for $5.99, which was by far the best deal that I've seen anywhere. And I really like the colors. There's light blue, there's some white, and there's some gray. So these are gonna be great for dusting around the house. I have a lot of more delicate surfaces. My stove is like a glass top now, so I wanna protect it and be nice to it. So I got some of these. So yeah, excited about those. My absolute favorite purchase, I think this is everyone's favorite purchase in my house, are these like, I call them prepping mats, or like, they're cutting mats, but they were $6.99. It's like $7. Really cute colors. I was looking for these everywhere, but I couldn't find ones that I really like, but I love the color and design of these. $99. We've already started using them. I thought it was really funny because they actually say there is a mat for like different categories of food, I guess. So there's vegetables and fruit, fish, there's poultry, and there's meat. So a different color be for a different thing. Here's a funny thing, at my place, in my little family of 4, 3 of us are vegetarians. So because 3 of us are vegetarians, doesn't make sense to have 3 out of 4 of these mats be meat. We're kind of all just gonna pick a color and use them for whatever. But lately we've been using the yellow one with the chicken. Super cute. Cleaning these is really easy. You just rinse them off and they're good to go. Actually really thick, and I do trust like cutting things on them. The quality is just really good. These wipes, I don't know how beneficial they're gonna be. Pretty much anything that has to do with cleaning and has something that I own on it now that's new, I just like buy the thing to clean it with. But it was on sale for $4 on clearance, and they're just stainless steel wipes. So I figured I could use this on like, our home came with all new appliances and they're all stainless steel. My fridge basically looks like this kind of, so I was like, ooh, want to keep that nice. So I got these wipes. Hopefully they work out really well. And that was everything that I have bought for my home so far. So I really hope that you guys like this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Love the process of this, and I love my new home and I'm so excited to take care of it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.